much. Haven't caught up with my friends in weeks, and now we're out of touch. I've been driving in LA, and the world it feels too big, like a floating wall that's bound to break. Snap my psyche like a twig, and I just wanna see if you feel the same as me. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy but you don't wanna die. Like you're running by a thread that you gotta survive, but you gotta survive. Like your body's in the room but you're not really there. Like you have empathy inside but you don't really care. Like you're fresh out the road but it's been in the air. I don't pass repair. A little bit tired of trying to care and I don't. A little bit tired of quick repairs to go. A little bit tired of sinking, there's water in my boat. I'm barely breathing, trying to stay afloat. So I got this repairs to go. Guess I'm just broken and broke. The prescription's on its way, with a name I can't pronounce, and the dose I gotta take. Boy, I wish that I could count, 'cause I just wanna see if this could make me happy. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy but you don't wanna die. Like you're happy by the fact that you gotta survive, 'cause you gotta survive. Like your body's in the room but you're not really there. Like you got empathy inside but you don't really care.